So Stace, where are we right now?
Where are we? We're standing in my future bedroom. Okay, so what I'm very excited about is that for 10 months, from Labor Day to Memorial Day, we had a stop work order on this project. It took that long to get all the permits that we needed and get our plans approved, and so we were stopped from Labor Day to Memorial Day, and I plan to finish between Memorial Day and Labor Day.
That's wild.
Yeah, I know, it's so crazy.
How are you different from most interior designers?
Well, I can only talk about the way I work. I can't, talk about the way anyone else works. I have no idea. But I do full project management. The goal is to get people to hire me first so that I could help them with their space planning and the execution of the project based on the final outcome of what they want it to look like. Is it at 100? Right. One is 8'4", and one is okay. So I have it as 8'5" by 5 feet, and then the other one is 7 feet 4 inches by 4 feet 4 inches. No, I didn't do a pressure balance. I did a thermostatic control. Okay, I'm gonna talk to her. I'm gonna send you the specs on everything. Yes.
This is all.
Okay.
Turn this on, turn that one off.
You have the key. You'll lock up.
Okay.
Okay, and so Bambi will be here Thursday. You'll take that off, and you can always call Ronnie. Okay.
Ronnie gets too excited.
Ronnie gets too excited. I know.
He can't handle it.
Oh my God! Did you get him saying that? Okay.
Ronnie gets too excited.
Yeah, Ronnie can't handle it. Ronnie's my husband.
We're gonna be taking this down too.
No, why? Yeah, Google it, because I really need to know that now. Mm-hmm. This is gorgeous and matches the house. It's not a tweed, but if he does it, it'll be sick. It's stark. But no, it's just, he wants everything very natural, and this is the winter version, and then the summer, the summer will have, they wanted a winter beach house, so this is like a winter beach house. It's not over a year, and the fabric was ordered. Do you not want to give her all the fabric? I don't even want him to go forward.